Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the open bar stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and front post triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5 plus 3. I have already made 28 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You'll then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 chains. So there's 1 and 2. Now we're going to get into the sequence of our row. You're going to make 2 chains, to skip 2 chains. Into each of the next 3, you're going to make a double crochet. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to start repeating from these 2 chains. So make 2 chains to skip 2 chains. Into each of the next 3 chains, make a double crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 2 chains. Into each of the next 3 chains, make a double crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 2 chains. Into each of the next 3 chains, make a double crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 2 chains. Then into the last chain of this row, make 3 double crochet all together. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. You're going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch until you reach a chain space. Then into the chain space, you're going to make 2 single crochets. Then you're going to start repeating. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch until you reach a chain space. Then into that next chain space, make 2 single crochets. Into each stitch, make a single crochet. Into the next chain space, 2 single crochets. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch until you reach the next chain space. 2 single crochets in the next chain space. 1 single crochet into each stitch until you reach the next chain space. 2 single crochets into that next chain space. Then 1 single crochet into each stitch at the end of your row. So that's going to be 1, 2, and 3. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet stitch, so you can skip the first stitch. We're going to be making a front post triple crochet over the row we just made, so this single crochet row, into the row below. So we're skipping this first stitch. We're going to be working around this next or the second one. You're going to yarn over your hook twice. Insert your hook around that double crochet right there. So it's going to be this one, the second one. Grab that yarn, pull it through or around the back of that stitch. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that through the last 2 loops to complete that front post triple crochet stitch. Now in the next stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. Just a regular one in the regular next stitch, not in the one below, just this one right here. Now we're going to start our sequence. You're going to make 2 chains to skip the next 2 stitches. Into this next stitch, make a double crochet. So just into that regular next stitch, make a double crochet. Now we're going to make that same front post triple crochet down over the row that we had just made into this next stitch. So this double crochet here, it's always going to be the middle double crochet of a set of 3 below, just to keep yourself on track. Then into this next stitch, you're going to make a regular double crochet. And you can see how it's going to start repeating from these 2 chains here. So make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. We're going to make that front post triple crochet down over this stitch below. Then into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Now we're going to start repeating, make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. Into this next stitch, make a double crochet. Now we're going to make that front post triple over this next stitch. Then into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. Into this next stitch, double crochet. So you can see how everything is looking, how everything is lining up. Now I'm ready to make my next front post triple over this stitch right here. Make a double crochet in this stitch. Make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. Into this next stitch, make a double crochet. Front post triple over this next one down below. And then into the last stitch of this row, you're going to make a regular double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 1 chain. Row 4 is going to be the same as row 2, where we made all of our single crochets. You're going to make a single crochet into each stitch and then 2 single crochets into each chain space across. At the end of your row, you're going to have some chains over here. These chains counted as a double crochet in our last row. So work 1 single crochet into the top of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. To start row 5, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet stitch. So row 5 is going to be the same as row 1, where we established our sets of 3 double crochet. We're just going to be working into stitches instead of chains. So like I said, these 3 chains count as a double crochet, so you can skip the first stitch. Into each of the next 2, you're going to make a double crochet. There's 1 and 2. Now we're going to start our sequence, make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. Into each of the next 3 stitches, make a double crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. Into each of the next 3, make a double crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. Into each of the next 3 stitches, make a double crochet. You can see how everything is looking so far, how everything is lining up. Make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. Into each of the next 3, make a double crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. Into each of the last 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet. And that's how row 5 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 in order for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the open bar stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.